Coming to accounting treatment in the books of Drawee. Now students, Drawee is the person who has to make the payment. The same words, that is acceptor and promisor, can be used for Drawee. So how do we treat a bill in the books of Drawee? First case is when bill is issued. That is, when the Drawee actually signs the bill, recognizing the fact that he has to pay. So in that case, entry is drawer account debited to bills payable account. Students, again the same rules are there. Drawer is a personal account, bills payable is a personal account. So debit the receiver and credit the giver. Then on maturity, means when the due date is there. So on due date, the Drawee has to make the payment. Since he has to make the payment, the entry would be bills payable account debited to cash and the amount of the bill. Now students, Drawee is unaffected by whatever the drawer does with the bill. That is, the drawer can retain, the drawer can get it discounted, and the drawer can endorse the bill. But in either of these cases, there is no effect in the books of Drawee, since Drawee has already issued the bill and at the end of the term he will make the payment. So that means whether the bill is discounted or the bill is endorsed or the bill is retained, the entries will remain same. So it is unaffected by discounting, endorsement, or keeping of bill by the drawer.